Okay, let's jump right into these sources you sent. We're doing a quick deep dive on some surprising details about Argentina.
Right. Looking beyond the usual headlines.
Exactly. The mission is just to unpack a few fascinating facts from your material and see what they tell us. Some of this is pretty unexpected.
Sounds good. Where do we start?
First up, your sources highlight the world's widest avenue in Buenos Aires, Avenida 9 de Julio.
Ah, the 9 de Julio, yes.
And they really emphasize the scale. It apparently takes multiple traffic lights to cross it.
Multiple lights.
And they joke you should bring snacks if you're walking, which gives you a real feel for it.
Definitely paints a picture of immensity. Eating snacks just across the road.
So what does focusing on something that big suggest about the city based on this info?
Well, the source seems to use that sheer width, the snack comment, as sort of a symbol.
A symbol of what? Ambition.
Yeah, maybe ambition or a certain grand scale in how Buenos Aires sees itself, or at least how it was planned. It's presented as more than just infrastructure. It's like a statement.
A big statement, quite a contrast to the intimate mate ritual.
Exactly. Different facets highlighted by these specific details in your sources.
Okay, and then there's this one visually striking, kind of intriguing history-wise, the presidential palace, the Casa Rosada. It's pink.
Famously pink, yes.
But your source digs into why. It mentions this specific theory that it was painted using cow's blood mixed into the paint back in the day.
Right, that particular theory.